Hello everyone, welcome to Atlas Book. Today let me show you some beautiful flowers. These are not original flowers, these are artificial flowers. These are the new collections from IKEA. Why don't you try some collection for your house? And the rates are affordable, the quality wise it's much better. They have varieties of collections of art, especially in artificial flowers, artificial plants, ferns, succulents, cactus, and many more. This time, the season, based on the season, I think the collection is awesome. Varieties of pink, red, small flowers or the bunch of flowers together like that. The way they arrange the flowers are like suitable vases or the glass bottles are nearby. You can try it all. There are many varieties: ceramic, glass, plastics, and different kind of materials of vases available. Please check it out in your nearest IKEA store. Personally, I like few things I've showed you, those plants as well as the rates, and along with how we can set up that in our house. Let's decor together our house and enjoy the video till the end. And one more thing, these flowers you guys can buy it online through. You can choose IKEA website, or else you can simply type the flower name. You will get the IKEA link or the nearest wherever it is possible to get it. You will get the details and you can buy it up. hope you guys enjoy the artificial flower new collection at IKEA. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another interesting video. Take care. Bye bye.